Hey everyone, my name is Ahmad and I'm the founder of Boss Bidet. Boss Bidet is a toilet attachment that cleans your butt in 1.3 seconds. And today, I'm going to discuss the 3 most important wash features that every single Boss Bidet has. First, what we're gonna do is start with the rear wash. The rear wash is like the home button. It's gonna clean your butt real quick. The second is the front wash. The front wash is great for both women and men. Guys, use this to your advantage to clean out the goods on a regular basis, especially on those hot, sweaty days. The last and most important feature is the Sanitize button, also known as the self-clean. The self-clean, it cleans the nozzles on the outside and on the inside. I recommend using this before you use it in case there's something left on there from somebody that has bad aim before you, and after so you can clean up the residue. Check us out at bossbidet.com.